Hey guys, welcome to our channel Code is Arcade. This is Ashank David and welcome to a brand new video on our brand new playlist where we talk about different companies and the job roles offered by those companies, and we guide you step by step how to crack that company, how to clear all the interview questions in that company and so on. So today I have brought you another company, and that company name, as you can already see here, is Accenture. So Accenture is a very popular company, guys. It's a very popular IT field company in IT department in Silicon Valley of our India. You can see that here it is a global professional service provider in specializes in strategy, consulting, technology and operations. In India, it provides placements in early career development programs. Now, when we talk about Accenture, the main key points is that it's a consulting and tech company where it provides consultancy and technology. It is a mass recruiter and globally it is placed. It was founded in 1989, and the major hubs in the major headquarter in India is in Mumbai in Express Towers, and in other places the have different places we have Bengaluru, Hyderabad, Pune, Mumbai, Gurugram, and so on. These are the places where this company is based on. The website is of course accenture.com. You can go ahead and see the website for this particular company and you can get more information about that company. Remember, before you go for an interview, you should know about the company well before you say any answer in front of an interviewer. So that is important. So Accenture India hires freshers through campus drive, off-campus hiring and early career programs, including, so this is ASE and analysis tracks. So these are some of the things through which Accenture does hiring. We'll talk about that in a moment. But here, major thing is campus drives and off-campus hiring is available for you to enter this company in. So if you are in an engineering college and if you're looking for placements in campus placements, you will also find this company. If your college is tied up with the company, definitely your this company will be available for you to sit through campus drives. In a moment, we'll talk about the eligibility criteria of that also. And talking about off campus, you can go into another college, write exams, or maybe you can go ahead and pool campus, or you can go ahead into another places like LinkedIn or any other website through any other consultancy services website like Monster Jobs or Indeed or Naukri.com and get the placements from there. That is off campus. Also, you can go on to LinkedIn and search for more jobs available there for this particular company, and you'll find a lot of things. So we'll talk about that later on. So these are the two major things: campus drive placements and off-campus placements. About Accenture, so Accenture is a global professional service providing company, focuses on strategy and consulting technology, operations and interactive services. Services includes helping organizations with digital transformation and recently AI-led solutions. So as we already know, in artificial intelligence and machine learning also, Accenture works. It specifically talk about technology, consulting, AI and cloud and operations. Now, this is all about Accenture, guys. I hope so you have understood about this company really well. Now, I'll recommend that you guys go on to the company's official website and from there get to know more about this particular company before you go ahead into an interview. Speaking about the roles offered by the company in the current market trend for this particular month, for this particular current time period, if we talk about today's day as of 28th of November, you can see that these are the roles offered. So associate software engineer, advanced associate software engineer and analyst or program analyst are available. These are the three job roles available right now. Now, entry level technical role is your associate software engineer. ASE is the associate software engineer role where you are allowed to work on basic level of development, testing and client projects. So like maintaining or maintaining already developed code like that, and testing, all those things are there. These are basic level things. So if you're a fresher and you want to start with this particular thing, this is the absolute best role for you right now. If you're not that much into technical part with coding and all those things, then you can go ahead with this particular role. This will require you less coding knowledge, but definitely some coding knowledge. I'm not saying that not that nothing. You have to have a basic programming knowledge, of course, at least like Java or C++ or Python in order to get this particular role. But if you go into advanced coding like advanced DSA, data structures and algorithms and object oriented programming, then this role is going to be available for you. That is Advanced Associate Software Engineer, that is AASE. This focuses onto a little bit of higher level technical track where candidates with stronger coding and DSA skills with larger technical responsibilities are available for you to use. So this is your the next, which is a little bit advanced. This requires you a little bit of more knowledge about data structures and algorithms, of course. So this is the place where you'll get it. Then comes our third role here, that is analyst and program analyst role, where it is just about, in business and tech analyst role, where you work as a data analyst or blend of consultancy analysts and project delivery responsibilities. These are also available. Now you might have seen that I have not provided the approximate CTC or LPA here. Why so? Because Accenture is not talking about the available CTC. In some companies you will not see this when we talk about the salaries. According to this, depending upon your skill level in all the roles here, you will get salary according to what they require. So according to what posts available, what your skill level is, in which project you are working, that really depends if you want to calculate the salary. Now we cannot discuss about salary in these three roles as of now in Accenture because it is not provided yet. But of course, salaries are based on your skills, your way of writing the program, and the technical skills that you have, plus the project that you are put up in through that company determines your salary in these roles available as of for now in Accenture. Okay. Next is, this is fresher friendly, dominant domain variety, and global projects are available in Accenture. Speaking about eligibility and criteria for preparation, you would need to have at least BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MCA degrees in order to get into this company. For these particular roles, if we talk about, these are all technical roles, so you must have a technical graduation, of course. Then CGPA again is not mentioned here, but it depends upon college to college when it comes to Accenture. So it really depends upon your college, what Accenture sets the cutoff for your particular college, and the CGPA for that particular college determines if what CGPA is there. It really depends upon campus and drives. So you have to check your campus details. Then no active backlogs should be there. Generally this is there, but in some colleges it allows with some backlogs also for basic level roles, roles which are not mentioned here, but basic levels, then those roles there, the backlogs can be allowed, but generally no active backlog should be there. What are asked? Aptitude and reasoning are asked, of course. Then strong programming fundamentals like DSA for both for this basic associate software engineering role and advanced associate. So as I told you, basic programming knowledge you should have. So definitely that should be done. Next is object oriented programming, DBMS, your database management systems, your operating system basics, and project ready to discuss. These should be the things that you should know. This is your basic eligibility criteria and the things that you should prepare before you go into an interview. So basically in advanced associate software engineer, you should have a strong DSA and coding. But for associate software engineering, you should have basic fundamentals and application skill plus one programming language at least. Then the selection process we talk about, we have online assessment, technical interviews, and HR based offer rounds. So basically here in online assessment, you will get aptitude, logical reasoning, and basic coding MCQ rounds. Of course, this is the technical written round where the assessment will be taken in online format. Then you go for a technical in face-to-face round where the coding, system design, and your domain knowledge should be asked. So this is your face-to-face technical round. Then comes your HR. In HR, your salary discussion and your logistics and benefits and all those things will be discussed, of course. So regular campus drives and large scale hiring this company does. So these are the things that this is the selection process, guys. I hope so that this is very, very much clear. Finally, coming down to the conclusion, compensation varies widely by roles, level, location, and year. So these are the things that you need to take care of. Now, not much about this company is given, and we are not discussing much about this company, about the salaries and what kind of exact roles you will be getting. Just we have associate software engineer, we have the advanced associate software engineer, and the technical roles like that available. But more on this depends upon your college, your project, and the availability of the projects provided by that company for now. So this is about Accenture, guys. And entry level technical roles commonly starts at market competitive package, which changes by campus and year. It depends upon really your campus and the year that we are talking about, then that salary is going to be determined. Verify current offers on official. You should verify this current on the official career page of of that particular website and your campus as well. Okay, key takeaways. Finally, we are coming to the conclusion. Great for freshers, aiming for consulting and tech delivery roles, so best for freshers. Then advanced associate software engineering roles require strong coding, and this should require strong fundamentals, the associate software engineer role, of course. Always verify drive specific eligibility and compensation. So I hope so that this is clear about this company, guys. So this is about Accenture, and you should know that these are the available roles for now. For this particular month, we have associate software engineer, associate software advanced associate software engineer, analyst program role, guys. I hope so that this is very clear. This was about Accenture, guys, and the roles available and the eligibility criteria that you should have, specifically focusing on to the programming concepts. Like, of course, my generally, if you ask my conclusion, I'll tell you that basic fundamental of programming plus one programming knowledge should be there, with advanced DBMS and all those things you should know before you go ahead into this company, guys. Well, that's all for this video, guys. I hope so that you have understood this really well, and if you have any doubts, please do let me know in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel Coders Arcade, and of course, guys, I'll give the link of the Telegram channel below in our description. Don't forget to come and subscribe to our Telegram channel. Telegram channel is absolutely important because we will provide all the links, everything about this particular company there in our Telegram channel, guys. That's all for this video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Give us a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget our Telegram channel. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much.